Hello, in this video I would like to speak about Google Analytics configuration. Okay, Google Analytics configuration will do a great advantages to their website. You can track where the traffic is coming from, where the click is coming from. Okay, see you can sort by real time, today, yesterday, last 7 days, 14 days, 30, 90 days, 1 year, 3 year. Okay, this data is very crucial. You may do email marketing, you may get the clicks. Okay, yeah, I think you need to pay for that. But Google Analytics right now it is free. Okay, but the configuration is the tricky part, and I prefer WordPress website because you have lot of options to do with WordPress website. We have light theme, we have slow theme. Okay, you need a fast loading website. Yeah, anything is possible. Okay, you could twist and tweak the way you want, which is otherwise not that easy to perform in other platforms. Okay, so let me see how the clicks are coming from. Okay, United States 108 clicks, India. Okay, see how many countries are visiting this particular website. See, we are tracking the clicks here, and let me see last the location, session, how many sessions are happening here. Okay, I think it takes around 15 to 30 minutes for things to configure. We need a valid Gmail account. Okay, otherwise I will prepare a one for the configuration. Okay, and organic clicks. Tracking is very important because most of the people, they don't know where the traffic is coming from. I mean the page views, what to say, and location. Okay, see, you're getting all the analysis and the referral traffic. This data is very crucial. See how many channels, whether direct traffic, that means they're typing the name of their website. Social platforms means Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever. Okay, how much the traffic is coming from social channels. And organic traffic means directly from search engines. Okay, they type a keyword on Google, they found your website and they visit it. That is called organic traffic. Referral traffic means from referral websites. Okay, from where they are coming from. See, Facebook, SEO, stumble upon. Okay, I think there are many options. Referral and searches, how many searches are happening in a month. Okay, see the power of this technology. Okay, see, you can know the traffic, how the traffic is coming from. See, right now there is a trend happening all over world. Okay, most of the traffic is from mobile. Okay, 70% traffic is from mobile. See, traffic mediums, search engine, social networks, visitor type, traffic medium. See, it's given good analysis. Technology, yeah, this is the most important one, whether the traffic is mobile or desktop or it's a tablet, so that you can optimize the website for the same. See, Google is penalizing websites if they are not mobile compatible. Okay, you lose lot of rankings dramatically, even though the content is very good. Mobile optimization is very important right now. Okay, we have a simple technology to do that. I can help you with the same. See, and I need to also show you push notifications. Okay, even I can configure it on your computer. Let me show you. Go to settings, push notifications. Okay, that means somebody, first time a customer or visitor visits your website, he gets a notifications. We'll send you notifications to your computer. Okay, allow or deny. If you click allow, anytime if you add a new content, automatically it will be visible on the desktop. Okay, it will be visible on the desktop with a pop-up. They need to close the pop-up manually. Even they can unsubscribe from that pop-up. It's optional. Okay, this is the latest technology now. All big what to say, Fortune 500 companies are using this technology, including Facebook is using. Facebook, a lot of big companies are using this particular technology, that is push notifications. Okay, so it will draw visitors back to your website. Okay, I suggest you configure the same. Okay, I can help you with the configuration for a small fee. We can have a chat on Skype or Teamweaver. Let me know if interested. Thanks for watching.